The Presidential Steering Committee on COVID-19 says civil servants will be required to present proof of vaccination or negative polymerase chain reaction PCR test conducted within 72 hours to enable access to offices from December 1st, 2021. Chairman of the committee, Mr. Boss Mustafa, disclosed this during the committee's briefing on COVID-19 in Abuja.
Statistics generated over the last 4 weeks on testing have shown that the trend of infection is going down in some states, while in others, the trajectory is upward. The combined total for testing by PCR and RDT now stands at 3,141,795 persons. The aviation authorities, in collaboration with the diplomatic sector, have made reasonable progress in collaboration with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Discussions are still ongoing with the UAE authorities to resolve the impasse. The Honorable Minister of Aviation today presented the position of African countries on vaccine passport, which some economic blocs and countries wish to impose for travel purposes. African countries have found it difficult to access the vaccines for their citizens in sufficient number. Over several months, 4 countries were placed on high-level restriction for travelers from such countries. The Presidential Steering Committee has, after a review of the development in these countries, decided to remove further South Africa, Turkey, and Brazil from the restricted list. As you are aware, the United Kingdom has eased restrictions on fully vaccinated travelers from Nigeria to the UK, with effect from 11th October 2021. Nigeria welcomes this development and assures that the Presidential Steering Committee shall continue to review Nigeria's protocol based on global developments, science, and national experience. A revised protocol will therefore be issued in full in the next 24 hours. We had looked at it, we had taken comments, we've looked at the science, we have looked at the facts available, and we have reconstructed a new revised protocol that will come or will be issued in the next 24 hours. By the time we bring finality to the content and context of the protocol. With effect from 1st December 2021, all federal government employees shall be required, all without exception, shall be required to show proof of COVID-19 vaccination or present a negative COVID-19 PCR test result done within 72 hours to gain access to their places of work in all locations within Nigeria and in our missions. An appropriate service-wide advisory / circular will be issued to guide the process. The Presidential Steering Committee wishes to put Nigerians on notice that 2 major religious festivities, the Salah and the Christmas, are approaching, and we should be experiencing increased passenger traffic in and out of the country. Similarly, events of large gatherings are likely to halt. While the PSC prepares to escalate surveillance and other control activities, we urge the states and all Nigerians to also increase their vigilance and take measures to moderate their activities.